If you're sleeping more and still feel tired in January, this is important. That doesn't mean you're doing rest wrong. It just means you're catching up. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern regenerative medicine. Today, I want to talk about why winter fatigue is so common. In winter, energy drops, but modern life doesn't slow with it. To explain simply, shorter daylight disrupts circadian rhythm. Cold increases metabolic demand, which is why some of you are drinking a cold glass of water first thing in the morning. Let's not forget, stress hormones have been elevated for months, stressing about the holiday season. So when people finally rest in January, they notice how tired they are. That's not regression, that's awareness. Sleep needs do change in winter. In winter, most bodies need more sleep, not better discipline, unless it's about sleep. Earlier bedtimes matter more than wake time. Thank goodness, because I'm in New York and I was up at 2:30. And consistency matters more than duration. Just remember, deep rest can take weeks to restore energy. And if you're trying to overthink and optimize sleep, then you're probably missing the point. Now, adrenal support is not equal to stimulation, because when we feel exhausted, what do? Reach for stimulation. That's me too. Coffee, pre-workout, energy drinks, more pushing. But adrenals don't recover through stimulation. They recover through stability. That's why you'll often see me having to take something like adrenal support just to help get me through my day, because we have a big family and a business. So if you're like us and you're on the go and you need some practical support, here are a couple of things. Try and eat regular meals. Make sure you're getting enough protein and minerals. Try to have gentle mornings to ease into your day. And predictable routines are going to be a little bit better here. Just remember that energy returns when the nervous system feels safe. So let's talk about why rest can feel unfulfilling at first. When you first start resting, the nervous system releases stored exhaustion at first. That can feel like heavier fatigue, emotional flatness, low motivation. This doesn't mean rest isn't working. It just means it's finally allowed. So feeling tired in January doesn't mean you need more effort. It usually means your body trusts you enough to slow down. This is a good sign. So 2 action steps here you could take this week. Try and choose an earlier bedtime twice a week, even if sleep isn't perfect. And eat regular warming meals to support energy stability. No supplements required. And no perfection expected. Which one of these feels most supportive to you right now? Comment below and let us know so that we can help support you in your journey. And if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and until next time, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced.